So guys, for the first method, you want to uninstall your current driver, then you want to reinstall the latest drivers. So there's going to be a link in the description. Just go here to the NVIDIA cleanup tool. It's then going to install the NVIDIA cleanup tool. Click on this, and then click on yes, and then click on accept, and then click on yes to completely remove your NVIDIA drivers. After you uninstall your drivers, click on OK. Next, you need to restart your computer. So click on yes to restart your computer. And then come back into Windows. Once you're back on Windows, you want to go to the next link in the description to download the NVIDIA app. You probably already have it, but if you don't have it, get the NVIDIA app, just download this. And now once you're on the NVIDIA app, on the left hand side, click on the driver tab. And then click on check for updates. And you should now be able to update your NVIDIA drivers to the latest version through here, and then the problem should be fixed.